Hi my loves, how are ya? If you're new, hi, I'm Zina, and today I'll show you how to make this chic low bun that is so easy actually to make. I saw it recently on Pinterest, so I decided I need to figure out how to make it and show you as well, especially because of the Christmas and New Year Eve. And by the way, as you can see, I decided to decorate my Christmas tree a little earlier this year, so I hope that you are excited too about holiday season. And if you're interested to know how to create this hairstyle, please keep on watching.
First, we will make a parting on the side we like, and then we want to measure with our hand like I'm showing here, and the rest we want to brush backwards, making a very low ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, so brush it well and make a ponytail with an elastic. Then you want to pull a little bit the hair, just a little bit like I'm showing, and then I'll use some oil. You can use any smoothing product for your ponytail. Now you want to grab one small section from the ponytail, make an opening like I'm showing, and bring it through it and pin it in place for now, and repeat. So you basically grab a small section, make an opening, bring this section through this opening and clip it in place. We'll work with this section later on, so basically you'll repeat these steps over and over again. When our sections are ready, remove the clip, and then you want to grab this section one by one, beginning from first one, and twist it, creating like a raw braid, but twist it only once like I'm showing. And then you want to grab a clear elastic and tie the ends. Then you want to hide the ends inside of our created upper raw braid. Then you want to pin in place all this construction, especially if you have layers. You want to hairspray it, and your elegant bun is ready.
This hairstyle so far, please don't forget to let me know in comments down below, and also by leaving me a thumbs up. Guys, please be more active because this inspires me to make more hairstyles. Make sure to leave me in comments down below if you like it, what kind of hairstyles you'd like me more to make here, because guys, seriously, this inspires me so much and makes me so excited about checking everything and every new hairstyle. Super nice looking, but trust me, I'll make a easier version for you. I'm really so thankful for watching my hair tutorials and talking to me. This makes me so happy. Love you guys, and hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!